In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a service item in Xero, which is a crucial step for managing your business invoicing and inventory efficiently. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Xero website. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the top right corner of the home page, where you'll spot the Login button. Clicking here will take you to the Login page. Enter your login details to access your Xero account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. Here, direct your attention to the taskbar menu towards the top of the page. You're looking for the Sales option. Click on this to access all the sales-related features that Xero offers. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for Products and Services and click on it. This section is where you can manage your inventory items, including adding new service items, which we'll do in just a moment. Once you're in the Products and Services section, take note of the New Item button located at the top right corner of the page. To begin creating your new service item, click on this button. At this point, you're tasked with entering the service details, so make sure you're prepared with all necessary information. Begin by providing a clear and concise name for your service. It's crucial that the name you choose is recognizable and reflective of the service you offer, as this will appear on invoices sent to clients. Next, there's an option to input a code or SKU for your service. While this step is optional, it can be incredibly helpful for tracking and internal reference, especially as your list of services grows. Move on to add a short description of the service. The description will appear on invoices, so aim to keep it concise yet descriptive enough for clients to understand what they're being billed for. Now it's time to set the unit price, which is the standard rate you charge for this particular service. Below that, assign the appropriate revenue account. This ensures that income from each service is recorded accurately in your financial statements. Additionally, you'll need to select the appropriate tax rate applicable to your service, whether that's GST, VAT, or perhaps no tax at all, depending on your business structure and location. With all the necessary fields populated, you're almost done. To finalize the process, simply click on the Save button. This action will add the new service to your products and services list, making it ready for use in any future sales transactions you process in Xero. Congratulations, you've successfully added a service item, enhancing your Xero experience and streamlining your invoicing process. By following these steps, you can ensure that your business operations run smoothly and efficiently, fully utilizing what Xero has to offer.